I'm gonna be illustrating how the Z80 can be set to count without having to use any external memory or RAM. Right now I don't have any RAM set up. All I have is a Z80, and over here is the clock that's disconnected from the Z80 because I'm using the 555 to slow down the clock, so it's easier to see the lids, the LEDs over here blinking or counting from the low bit to the high bit. And then here's the controller for the address connected to the Z80, and then from the Z80 to the control to show the increments counting. And over here is the lid for this clock here that's disconnected from the Z80, and it'll be lit because it'll be blinking too fast, so it'll look like it's staying on. While this one over here will be blinking, so it's the actual one that's connected to the Z80. And let me start by turning the power on and starting the count over here of the address, using those resistors over here all connected to ground to simulate low, so it makes the CPU start counting in order from the lowest to the highest. And I have 10 pins connected, and instead of connecting all 16 because I don't have enough cables or displays here in LEDs, but at least you can see how it starts to count. Over here I got the reset, so once I press it, it should reset the clock, the address, and start all over from 1 through all the way to the highest LED you can see over here. But if I had more LEDs over here completing all the addresses, you would be able to see keep going all the way to the highest 16 pin. And over here you can see the light for this clock, but you won't see it blinking because it's going too fast for your eyes to see, unless I use an oscilloscope to show you the frequency. And then over here some other inverters and AND gates set up to connect to the Z80. And over here this controls the address, the in and out. I mean, actually the address just to the from the CPU to the device, and this controls the data for in and out from the CPU to whatever external device I decide to put in to it, and it'll read whatever RAM once it's connected. But right now it's set to use resistors only. And this concludes my presentation.